Hi people, it's Shana again, the Yardy girl. Right, so I said that I was going to post some other videos pertaining to weight loss, my weight loss journey for 2017, which I'll be more serious about. And I think me posting on, me putting up a video now and then, I'll be more motivated. And because I love watching all of those videos out there about motivation, about people journey and all of those things, so I said, okay, let me try it and see if that would kind of motivate me more. So with this fitness journey, I have an app that I use. I got this from my sister. It's called My Net Diary. So this is the app that I'm gonna use. So I don't know if you can see it here. It shows for all the people that don't know what it really shows, for today, it shows it has like a big apple. I think it just recently updated. You never have the apple before. It's a big apple, and it shows how much calorie per day you're allowed to have. And anytime you eat something and you log it, like you have breakfast, lunch and dinner, anytime you eat something and you log it, right, it's like it take out so much whatever portion it takes out, and then it show you down here it says 0, and then it show you how much you have left for the day, right? And you also, it's like you put in your weight daily, and you also count your steps also, so that's a big plus, right? And you also can do a plan with it, like how much weight you want to lose in how much time. So I'll be using that because I've been using it for a while, and I found that it's really nice. A lot of people use fitness for, this is one more app that I use too, but some people use Fitness Pal. But I was gonna download Fitness Pal, but before that, I'm still gonna try it. But I have Pump Up. Probably a few people know about Pump Up. It's like it's kind of like, it's like a social media, right? For those people don't know about Pump Up, like a social media, right? So you see other people's journey, you see other people like weight loss, or always going, they post pictures, they post whatever, anything they post, right? It's just like Instagram or whichever one there is, right? So I'll be using that also. I post regularly on there too. I post about food, right? I'll be also be on a diet. I'll also tell you, I don't know when yet, probably next week coming, because today is January the 7th, 2017. So next week I'll be posting one video to tell you what type of diet I'll be going on and what would be my regular exercise routine. I'd rather to work out in the morning than in the day or evening, because I just want to work out and get it over with for that day, and that's it, right? So please just look forward for those videos. I'll tell you more information, but I'm just giving you a heads up. So please follow me, continue to follow me, and subscribe if you haven't. Like please do like, and you'll get more videos like this, right? So just continue watching me, and I'll give you an update every now and then, probably once a week or twice a week. We'll see how it goes, even more, right? So this is Shana giving you some info on my fitness journey. So just please continue, because what's the word, the phase that I'm at now, I don't want to be there anymore. So I'm gonna kick it up a notch, right? We need to step up into the game and work harder. So yeah, please stick with me, right? Also stick with you, even though it's through the camera, but you know what I mean. But anyway, just continue watch, subscribe if you haven't again. So Shana, you're the girl. Peace. I'm out.